Hello everyone, Daniel Huff Adventures here. The time has come for a new front tire. I've got this Motoz Rallz. I've had this on the bike for 10 months or so, and I've been complaining about it. I've been telling my friends, I'm pretty unhappy with this tire because of the way it's wearing. It's like, it's got like no knob left here at the back, and it's tall at the front. It's wearing unevenly, and I've been complaining and one thing and another about this tire. So I finally said enough of that. I've got a brand new one sitting here just like it. I'll just put the new one on. Um, so I went back to my records, and I see that this Rallz, it's a pretty aggressive tire. This Rallz has 5,562 miles on it. When I first got it, the traction it made, it just worked really well. I'm very, very pleased. And then as it wore down, I thought, this ain't great because of the way it's wearing unevenly recently. And then, it makes a little more noise than I like. It's not quiet like the Motoz GPS I have on the rear. But anyway, it makes a little more noise, wearing uneven. I was complaining. And now that I'm reminded it's got 5,562 miles, and I'm thinking, you know what? For an aggressive adventure bike tire that starts out looking like that, to get 5,500, I have no room to complain. It's been a good tire, great traction, it sticks. It did better than everybody else's tire when I was in that, by Burns, in that clay, slick, grease soil over there. It did better. So I got no room to complain. So anyway, I'm putting the new one on that looks just like it, and I'm going to quit complaining about that tire. Although I have a bike stand, I don't have a bead breaker, and with these tubeless wheels, sometimes it can be real difficult breaking the bead. And I don't know, I just got this big C-clamp, come right loose. Yeah, so far no problem. I should have that new tire on pretty quick. Well, there you go. Front tire change is complete. And I might add that it's all done without mishap, crash, bike didn't fall, there's no blood anywhere. And so that's all a bonus. No skin knuckles, no cuts or bruises.